Hello. So we're going to make tandoori chicken. So you get 2 chicken breasts, 3 garlics, ginger, chilli, about 1, 2, 3 of yoghurt. Then we take chili powder, which you can put about 2 if you like it very hot, or just 1.5 if you like it mild. You put a top on that. And give it a quick in the meantime, take the chicken breast, and if you make cuts like this, not all the way but just up to there, like so. Take your mix, which you can really use for anything, even fish or lamb or beef or vegetables, whatever you like. Put it into that and just mix it like this. Put a little lemon juice. Just half a lemon is good. So this is the mix of the tandoori chicken, and I've added some olive oil, and you can see here some chili flakes. You can also add some ground cumin if you want, and mix it all up and put it in the fridge for 30 minutes. Preheated oven at 200 for 20 minutes, and then reduced to 150